Halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Adi Herianto from class MNG 23C with NPM number 234111014. And so here I will explain about the consumer behavior of service. Number one, understanding consumer behavior in service. Consumer behavior in service refers to process, action, and decision individual make before, during, and after purchasing a service. Emotion and integration that shape consumer perception. This makes understanding behavior in service context more complex. By analyzing how consumer recognize needs, evaluate option, and judge outcome, organization can design more effective strategies to influence choice and enhance satisfaction throughout the service journey. And number two, the role of intangibility in decision making. Intangibility heavily influence how consumer evaluate and select service because they cannot physically inspect or test the offering before purchase. This uncertainty often pushes customers to rely on external cues such as reputation, word of mouth, brand image, and service environment. Since the quality of a service is perceived rather than measured, consumer experience higher level of risk during decision making. Service provider must therefore create clear, trustworthy signal that reduce ambiguity and building confidence in the value being offered. Number three, personal factor shaping service consumption. Personal factor such as lifestyle, personality, motivation, and individual preference significantly shape how consumer engage with service. For example, someone with a busy lifestyle may seek convenience and speed, while another individual might prioritize personalized interaction. Motivation also plays a key role as consumers often choose service to fulfill emotional, social, or functional needs. Understanding these personal characteristics allows service providers to tailor offering, create target communication, and design environment that resonate with diverse customer profiles. Number four, psychological influence in service behavior. Psychology factor perception, learning, attitude, and belief strongly impact how consumers interpret service experience. Perception determines how customers make sense of service quality based on visual cues, interaction, and atmosphere. Learning from past service encounter shapes future expectation, while attitude influence overall willingness to engage with a service provider because service depend on emotional experience. Psychological influence often determine whether customer feel valued, satisfied or disappointed during and after consumption. Number 5, social and cultural influence on service decision. Social and cultural factors, including family, peer groups, social class, and cultural norms, influence how consumers evaluate and select service. Many services choose such as education, healthcare, dining or entertainment are shaped by social expectation or broad recommendation. Cultural values also determine what customers consider appropriate or high quality. Service provider must recognize this influence to adapt their communication style, service design, and overall experience to align with the social and cultural backgrounds of their target audience. Number 6, the service purchase decision process. The consumer decision process for service typically includes problem recognition, information search, evaluation of alternative purchase, and post-purchase behavior. Because services are high in experience and credence qualities, consumers often spend more time gathering information from reviews, recommendations, and personal experience. The evaluation of alternative is complicated by the intangible nature of service, making trust and perceived reliability crucial. Effective service providers with customers talk at stage with clear information and supportive interaction that reduce uncertainty. Number 7, service encounter and the moment of truth. The service encounter, often referred to as the moment of truth, is the critical point when customers directly interact with the service provider. The stage heavily shapes certification because customers judge quality based on employee behavior, responsiveness, empathy, and competence. Since services are produced and consumed simultaneously, any failure during the encounter can strongly affect perceptions. Organizations must train employees, design efficient systems, and create pleasant environment to ensure positive service encounters that reinforce trust and loyalty. And number 8, customer expectation and perceived value. Customer expectations serve as benchmark against which service performance is evaluated. These expectations develop from previous experience, marketing communication, personal needs, and external influence. Perceived value emerges when performance meets or exceeds these expectations, creating certification and long-term loyalty. In contrast, performance below expectation leads to dissatisfaction and negative word of mouth. For this reason, service organization must manage promise carefully, deliver consistent quality, and ensure that the value perceived by customer align with what is communicated. In the conclusion, Consumer behavior in service is shaped by a unique combination of physiological, personal, social, and cultural influence that make decision making more complex than it the marketing of physical goods because services are intangible, variable, and inseparable from the service provider. Customers rely heavily on perceived value, past experience, trust, and emotional response when evaluating service quality. Understanding this behavioral dynamic allows organizations to design more effective service encounters, manage expectations, adopt appropriate marketing strategies, and strengthen a long-term relationship. Ultimately, firms that consistently deliver positive experience respond to customer needs and adapt to technological change are more likely to achieve higher certification, loyalty, and sustainable competitive advantage in the service marketplace.